To check the idle hours of the vehicle, first you have to go to user panel. After that, you have to click on the vehicle. You will be getting history option. You have to click on history. You will be directed to this page. Here you will be getting the idle report of the vehicle. So, what is idle report? When your vehicle is idly standing at one position or one location and the ignition is on, the key is on, but the vehicle has no movement, at that case we are considering it as idle position of the vehicle. When the movement is totally zero, it is standing but still the key is on. For example, in traffic signals. So, in traffic signals, vehicles are getting stopped for 1 minute or less than 1 minute sometimes. So, in that case, the ignition is on, but the movement of the vehicle is totally zero. That is the idle condition of the vehicle. So, the idle report also you will be getting in two different ways. The first, which I have already told you, just click on any vehicle number at the left side and you have to go to history button and you can check the idle report here. You will be getting the location, direction, Google Map link and the duration as well of idle hours. You will be getting the duration and time as well. So in every 10 seconds the platform updating its data. Second option to get the ideal report is this one. You have to go to analytics. You will be getting the fourth option, that is idle here. You have to click on that page. You will be directed to this page. Here also you will be getting the same report like location, duration of idle means idle time, Google Map link and the date and time. So likewise you can check the idle hours or for any vehicle. Thanks for watching.